Sometime last year I showed a video of making compost. Well, here's why I make compost. These are my radishes. This is a radish. Check out the leaves. This is what happens when you grow in properly made compost. I won't announce that it's organic, this and that, because all organic means is you didn't use any pesticides. Well, big deal. I didn't use any pesticides. It's just good old compost. Now, if you have any doubts that this is in fact a radish, we will compare it to that which I've grown in a container. Look at the leaves here. Okay, notice the shape of the leaves here. And notice the shape of the leaves here. Same little guys. This is grown in your basic store-bought home vegetable mix. So, here is a radish grown in store-bought mix. And here is a radish grown and just homemade compost. You think there might be a reason to do it? That's all.